Here we go. 10, 9, 8. Oh my god. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Pick up the audio here. Hold up. There we go. Yo. RC, bro. Oh my god, this dude. Freaking the piece of shit. Okay. I'm playing around. I'm playing around. Don't kill me. Sorry. Don't kill me. Bro, got the Charlie vibes. Jesus. From the Hazard Hotel pilot. Okay, I'll stop being an idiot. Sorry. You're so good, oh my god. I wonder if we'll see Bobbitt's origins. Like everyone's origins. Hey. 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 Yo. This is so good. Arthur and Bobbette. Yo. I wonder if we'll see what happens in the secret room and stuff. Rudy? The voice out. Oh my god, the voice is perfect. Oh my god. I listened to this already. It was already on Spotify and stuff, so I already heard this. This is funny actually seeing the video. Oh wait, what? Don't overwork, bro. That's you're pushing people who's helping you away.
What was I thinking?
Yeah, what were you thinking? What was it, bro? Oh my god. We're actually gonna see what happens. Wait. Oh damn. They do it wrong. Oh, she thinks that. Oh, she okay. No, wait. Are we gonna see Twist Bobbette? Dude, wait. Hold on a minute. Are we gonna get twisted? It's a star! She's gonna fall! Yup. Oh my god, so she gets twisted. She falls off the tree and oh my god, that's a star. It's not a tree in her head, it's a star. And that's how the room gets messed up in the hidden room. Oh, you're gonna see Bobbette before she's like fully twisted? Yo, wait. Arthur. They're like staring at... Oh my god, wait. Is she already fully twisted? Oh my god, she is. Wait. Oh my god. So is she like the first twisted? Wait. Yo. That's so, oh my god, this song is amazing. I love it more than the Gordy one. I'm gonna be honest right now. I like it more than the Gordy song. This is, oh my god. What? Yo. This is so good. Oh my god.
2, 1, ready or not, here I come.
Is that it? Yeah, was anything else? Dude, oh, that's such a good song. Merry Christmas. That was amazing. Oh my god, I loved that. Are you kidding me? That was an amazing song. I loved it more than the Gordy one. Holy, we saw Bobbette get twisted. Yo, that was so good. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya, and Merry Christmas Eve to those who celebrate it.